Afternoon, everyone. Andy with Great Escapes RV in Strafford, Missouri. Going to take you through the smallest of the avenues that we offer. This is the 22 ML. Comes to us weighing about 8,000 pounds, and gross vehicle weight rating is just shy of 10. There's pass-through storage, which is lighted. Some TV connections in there if you did want to bring a TV to the exterior. 4-point leveling system. Aluminum wheels. There's the power awning with the body side LED lights. The step above, folding steps. Ladder to the fully walkable roof. Rear hitch. Take you around over here. You'll see the water compartment with the black and gray tank water drains, as well as an outside spray port hookup. Auto leveling system controls from that spot right there. Does use the Kurt Rotoflex hitch, which helps smooth out the towing a bit, takes out some of that road shock a person may experience. All right, let's go to the inside. It's all linoleum throughout. We'll open this pantry. Very good pantry storage in here, right alongside the refrigerator. There's the rear kitchen. You'll see the farm style sink with the pull-out kitchen faucet, 3-burner cooktop with the oven, 30-inch microwave. There is the fantastic vent in here. There's the rear AC. There is a front air conditioner as well. TV. U-shaped dinette with the large atrium window, which all the windows in here open, if you notice that. Theater seating opposite TV. Shower, skylight above. And there's queen bed. You'll find USB ports as well as outlet on both sides of the bed. Spot for a TV in here, front AC. You can have some more questions. You can certainly reach out to us. We're here until 6:30 Monday through Friday. You can catch us 417-512-7595. Thanks.